I'm gonna share with you the best extension ever made for Visual Studio Code. This AI-based extension allows you to grab code snippets from different popular sources based on your request. This helps you code 10x faster and effectively. Language availability. This extension can support 20 plus programming languages. Some of them include Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and the list goes on. How to install it? Click the Extensions tab from the left, search for black box, and hit the install. How do you use it? Start off by putting a comment symbol depending on the language you're using. In this case, I'll put a hash symbol. Simply type your problem, followed by a question mark, and hit the enter. You also get to see a source link of the generated code. Install it right now. Have fun. See you soon.